Hi friends, welcome back to Subu's Cafe. Today I will be making a very simple paneer recipe. You will like this recipe because it has very less ingredients and it is very easy to make. In case if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel Subu's Cafe and press the bell icon for all updates. So let's start. Hope you like this recipe. In case you liked it, please subscribe to my channel for such simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching Subu's Cafe, where happiness is homemade.